Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Try and Learn. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel this way and hit the bell icon to get immediate notification. So now let's start today's session. Dear viewers, today we'll discuss on how to change the mode of narration if the direct speech is in interrogative sentence. If the direct speech is in interrogative sentence. Continue till end to grasp a complete idea. In our earlier session, we have learned assertive and interrogative sentence and their interchange, and there we have learned that an interrogative sentence asks question. The main function of an interrogative sentence is to ask a question. And there are two types of interrogative sentence, and they are yes or no type question and WH question. Yes or no type question starts with auxiliary verb and WH question starts with a WH word. Now let's start with the rules to change the interrogative sentence from direct to indirect speech. As an interrogative sentence asks question, the reporting verb in direct speech, if the reporting verb in direct speech is say or tell, it changes into ask, and according to the form of the verb, the form changes. If says, asks; if tells, asks; if told, it will be asked. At the same time, you can use, instead of ask, inquire or want to know. In place of ask, you can use inquire or want to know. This is rule number 1. Next, rule number 2. If the direct speech is a yes or no type question, if the direct speech is in yes or no type question, then as linker, if or whether, if or whether comes as linker. But if the direct speech is a WH question, then the very WH word retained as the linker. Means the question starts with which WH word, that remains as the linker in the indirect speech. Next, rule number 3. The order of the words in direct speech changes from interrogative to assertive construction. The interrogative structure in the direct speech changes into assertive in indirect speech. So at the end of an indirect speech, full stop will be used because the structure becomes in assertive structure. Remember that the other rules like tense and their changes, person and changes of pronouns, etc. remain same like previous, what we have done in assertive structure or assertive sentence narration. Now let's see some examples how these rules are applied here. Just see the first example. The mother said to the boy, "Are you ill?" The mother is the speaker Said to is the reporting verb, the boy is the listener, and this is direct speech. According to the rule, first the mother, then said to will change into asked or inquired or wanted to know. The boy. Then linker as it is yes no question, if or whether. Then make it in assertive form, you are ill. Present indefinite tense will change into past indefinite, you means the boy. He pronoun are will become was ill. Full stop. The mother asked the boy if he was ill. Now see the second example. I said to the man, who are you? I is the speaker, said to is the repeating verb, the man is the listener, and who are you is the direct speech. So as the rule, I said to will become asked, the man, the WHOR will become the linker, or it will remain as the linker. Who verb will come after the subject, who, you means the man, he, it will become past tense was. The answer is I asked the man who he was. Full stop. Thank you. Our next session will be on narration change of question tag. Question tags or tag questions. Though it is related to interrogative sentence, I don't want to make this video too long, so it will appear separately. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel.